Hello everyone, welcome back to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing something super exciting for all you Pokemon TCG fans: how to play Pokemon TCG Pocket on your PC. Short, upbeat intro music plays. That's right. Forget squinting at your phone screen. We're diving into a brand new dedicated emulator that's going to let you experience Pokemon TCG Pocket on the big screen. Plus we'll explore the tablet mode to give you the best of both worlds. In this video, we'll cover where to find and download the dedicated emulator. A step-by-step guide on installing and setting it up. How to optimize the emulator for the smoothest gameplay. Exploring the dedicated tablet mode for the emulator. And finally, some tips and tricks to get the most out of your PC Pokemon TCG Pocket experience. Before we get started, if you're excited about playing Pokemon TCG Pocket on your PC, smash that like button. It really helps us out. And if you're new here, subscribe to Rome Tips for more Pokemon TCG Pocket guides, tips, and tricks. We're here to help you become the ultimate TCG master. Okay, let's jump right into it. First, let's talk about where to find this magical emulator. Continue with the script detailing the download, installation, and setup steps, optimization, tablet mode exploration, and tips and tricks. Example segment about downloading. Alright, so the first thing you'll need to do is head over to link to the emulator. Make sure you're downloading from a reputable source. We've linked the official website in the description below for your safety. Once you're there, click on the download button for the Windows version. The file size is around file size, so it might take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Example segment about installing. Okay, now that the download is complete, go ahead and run the installer. You might get a security warning from Windows, but don't worry, the emulator is safe as long as you downloaded it from the official link. Just click Run Anyway, or whatever the equivalent button is. The installation process is pretty straightforward, just follow the on-screen prompts. Example segment about optimization. Alright, let's talk about optimizing the emulator for the best possible performance. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the settings menu within the emulator itself. You can usually find this by clicking on the settings or options icon, often represented by a gear. Once in the settings, look for graphics settings. You'll want to play around with these depending on your PC's specs. If you have a dedicated graphics card, make sure the emulator is using it instead of your integrated graphics. You can usually select this in the graphics settings menu. Lowering the resolution can also help improve performance on lower-end machines. Example segment about tablet mode. The dedicated tablet mode is a game changer. It basically emulates the way the game looks and feels on a tablet, with larger, easier-to-tap buttons and a more intuitive interface. To switch to tablet mode, usually there will be a button on the side panel of your emulator's window. By pressing this you'll be able to switch in to dedicated tablet mode. Example segment about tips and tricks. One really handy tip is to utilize keyboard shortcuts. Most emulators allow you to map keyboard keys to specific actions in the game. For example, you could map the A key to tap the screen, making it much faster to play cards. Another pro tip is to keep your drivers updated, especially your graphics card drivers. This will ensure that you're getting the best possible performance and compatibility. Concluding the video. And that's it. You're now ready to experience Pokemon TCG Pocket on your PC with this dedicated emulator. We hope you found this guide helpful. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite thing about playing on PC is. Remember to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to Rome Tips for more Pokemon TCG Pocket content. We've got tons of guides, tips, and deck strategies coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Gotacatch Emol. On your PC.
Outro music fadezinho.